What's up everybody and welcome back to the channel. In this video I will show you how you can play Brawl Star with keyboard and mouse. For that the process is very simple. All you have to do is to follow the video till the end to get to know about it. So first thing first, playing Brawl Star on your PC you need to get an emulator. So basically the Brawl Star is an Android based game, so in order to play the Brawl Star on your PC you need to have an Android emulator on the PC which runs an Android skin on it. So for that the process is very simple. All you have to do is to search BlueStack Brawl Star. So all you have to do is to search BlueStacks Brawl Star on the Google search engine on the Google Chrome, and the first website which says bluestack.com. Just click on it and it will redirect you to the page where you can download Brawl Star including the BlueStack. So what is BlueStack? BlueStack is basically an emulator for Android which can be run on PC. It actually runs Android skin on PC, so you can use all the Android features in your desktop. Using the simulator, you can play Brawl Star on your PC. I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, please consider subscribing to my channel. Take care. Bye bye.